Hey, this is Peggy with Easy Peasy Machine Embroidery, and today I want to talk about getting the Sonnet Cloud to communicate with your machine, usually the Epic or the Epic 2 or the Brilliance or the machines that I'm talking about. And remember to subscribe to my channel and like or dislike my video. It helps me know if I'm getting my point across. And we'll be taking you out to the MySonnet site. The very first thing that you have to do to get the MySonnet Cloud on your computer is to go to mysonnet.com. And before you do anything else, you are going to need to register. So go ahead and set up an account. I recommend that you use a somewhat easy password, because if you start adding symbols and whatnot to your password, they're kind of tough to find on the epics and brilliances later. So go ahead and create your account. Once your account has been made, go ahead and sign in. When you sign into your Sonnet account, you'll see tabs that you can register your machines and whatnot. I'm not going to do that today. So go back out and go to mysonnet.com. And then I want you to go to Downloads and scroll down to the MySonnet Cloud Sync tool. The tool can be used for Windows or Mac. So go ahead and download it. And what I recommend is that you put it someplace where you know where it is. You can either do it to your download folder, but I like to use my desktop. It's just easier and quicker for me to go ahead and grab that desktop folder and see what's in there. So go ahead and download it. Once the Cloud Sync tool is downloaded, you should see something like this wherever you downloaded it. In my case, it is on the desktop. And generally, you are going to right click and get a menu. You're either going to open it with WinZip or open up a WinZip folder. Somewhere along that line, you have to unzip it. And when you unzip it, make sure you know where you are unzipping it to. Generally, it is going to unzip that folder and it is going to put it in your own directory. To get to your own directory, you go way up to the top of your screen, and the very first choice in the URL bar looks like a little monitor quite often. There's an arrow down. It's the very first choice that you have. Go to your own name, and there it put the MySonnet Cloud. And I like to actually move that, I shouldn't say move that folder, but I like to do a pin it to the quick access. So I go ahead and do that. And what it does is at the top of your left-hand film strip, there is your quick access. If it doesn't show up, all you have to do, see there's an arrow there, click on the arrow, and there it is. That's easy to find that folder and find what's in it. So now go ahead and open your Premier+ software. Grab a design, insert a design, open a design, and we're going to test it out. So you're going to go to File. You have some choices here. You can send directly to MySonnet, and it will show up on your machine. You can send to the machine via my Sonet, or you can export. And I generally do the export. I pick the format that I want it exported as, and I say OK. And right here is my quick access. I open it up, and you notice if you look at the URL address up here, I'm still in my own directory, and I'm still in the folder in my own directory, but now I have that shortcut, and it's really easy for me to find. So I click here, I name my file, and I say export, and generally we're good to go. Next time you turn on your machine, as long as your machine has, you've signed into the My Sonet cloud on your machine, you should be able to see it.